Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Singh from NIIT Faridabad, and I've prepared a website on a tourism website, and it has destinations, ideas, stays, and the technologies which I have used for the following website is for the front end. I've used HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, and data tables. For middle, I've used Java, JSP, Servlet, Spring, and Hibernate. For backend, I've used H2. So on clicking on my logo, brand logo, it leads me to the home page. And for I have about us page, I have contact us page, and I have sign up and login. So for the sign up of user, I have the following user details, credentials to be filled. So if I go for the first name, email, for street name, let me give this. I have not given email as a correct format, so let me check for the Hibernate validation for this. So, let me register. What do we have here? Not a well-formed email address, and the size must be between 10 and 10. So I have to write this again. So I'll give gmail.com, and phone number must be between size 10 and 10. So it's done here. So let me give the username and password. Here passwords, I've given validation using JavaScript for the password, for confirm password. If this matches, so it turns green. If it doesn't, it was red. So let me register for the user. So I've registered for the user. Now I have to log in using my credentials for the user I've given. Let me go for the user. I have done is Ria username, and the password was QWERT. So let me log in with Deep and giving password 1234. So we give Deep and password 1234 and log in. It leads me to the home page with written welcome Deep and booking and log out. So we have no sign up and login for the user when it logs in. So let me do the booking for the user. We have the following categories: ideas, stay, and destinations. Let me choose one. We have chosen Delhi for this. These are all the details categories. Entries displaying for me. So you have, if I go to second page, it shows me another entries. The entries to be shown are here. It gives me 10 entries, which I think I have given 7 entries. So it shows me 7 entries in one page only. If I can search, I can search a particular one also. If I do for the India Gate, it shows me the entry for the India Gate only. So let me book this India Gate. So number of people who wants to travel for the tour can be given, for example, 4. Add booking. It leads me to the add booking, people traveling 4, total price 8,000, and I can remove this or clear the whole cart if I add more, and total price is 8,000. So if I go for the checkout, let me remove this one, and I can add more if I want. For example, I am adding Qutub Minar and I give entries 3, add booking. Let me add more to this. For example, I add this. I give the entries add booking. So now I have this many bookings for the user deep, and I can remove it also there, and I can clear the cart also or go for the checkout. It gives me details about the package. It has Kudinar, number of people traveling is 3, total price, the price for the particular package is 1000, which gives 3 people traveling are 3000. So I have grand total for 3000. Let me submit it. It goes to the thank you page. I can go to this home page also from here, or I can log out. So this was the user module. For the next, I have the admin module, which goes for which I have the admin modules to be entered from the backend only. So I have here username admin, password is admin, and I have authorities given to admin is role admin, which has only the admin credentials. So if I fill here admin here password, and if I log in, we can see that we have package changes for the admin role only, and it has welcome admin and logout. So if I go for the admin credentials, if I want to do, I can add a package, for example, and the price vacancies, I can set the description and let it be Delhi. I choose a file, let it this, and add product. So my added product is shown here. I've added Faridabad here. So if I refresh, I have to refresh my project for the image actually. Let me refresh it so the images can load. I have refreshed my project. So let me refresh this page also. Here it shows me the image of Faridabad, and I've added this entries. So if I want to edit it, I can edit this also. I can change the following. I can change vacancies to 7 and edit package. So it shows me here info. It shows me vacancies are 7. So if I want to delete this, I can delete this also. So I can delete this entry, and I can see my entries. It would be shown to me here. Faridabad I have deleted. It's not shown to me anywhere here. So if I log out, this would lead me to home page again. This is my website on tourism. Thank you.